Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, I wanted to show you three ways to get the average of a group of numbers. Right. So the first one I'm going to use, which again is like my sort of quick and dirty way, is from the status bar. Okay, so if I just go down here, all right, and if I just do a right click on the blank area here, okay, you can see the average has been selected, and I can see the average here is 247.33, which I'm just going to put up here. Oops, 33. Now, that's the easiest way to get it, really, to be honest with you. If you just need to get a quick, just highlight the numbers and look at the status bar. Note that on the status bar, if you look down here, nothing happens until, there's nothing here at the moment because I haven't got any numbers highlighted. Okay. Second way to do it is to do it from the ribbon. So just come up here to my home ribbon, and under my auto sum, I have what I call the usual suspects. Said auto sum, and I choose my average, and see there it just types in average automatically, and press enter, and there we get the same number again. And then I think that's the easiest way, to be honest with you, if you know it already. Or the other way is just to use, if I start typing in average equals AV, and you notice here that as it appears, I get a list of options, and if I just go to here, average, and double click on it, and if I click here, and I can use a little keyboard shortcut if I had a lot of them, which is Control, Shift, and arrow up. All right, I might just make sure, because I don't want to include the list in it, so I just include that one, and just press enter. I don't need to put in the bracket, and again, I get 247.33. All right. I hope you found this useful, and mind yourself and take care.